In this video, I'm going to show you how to power your MERCUSYS router using power bank. Start by checking your router's power requirements, which are typically listed on a label located on the back or bottom of the device. Next, ensure that your power bank matches the correct voltage and amperage requirements. You'll need a DC to USB adapter cable that is compatible with your setup. Insert the DC end into the power port on your router. Plug the USB end into the power bank. Power on the power bank, and you should notice the indicator lights on your router illuminate, showing that it's getting power. If the router isn't working properly, it could be because it's not getting enough power from the power bank. In this instance, you'll want to disable the 5G network. For a detailed guide on how to do that, take a look at my other video linked in the description. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments.